Unveiling SpaceX's magnum opus, the Falcon Heavy and the enigmatic X-37B. The day dawns, the countdown begins. Falcon Heavy, SpaceX's flagship, stands tall at the Kennedy Space Center, ready for liftoff. Aboard the Falcon Heavy is the X-37B orbital test vehicle, a classified spacecraft shrouded in secrecy and riddled with speculation. Engine sparks ignite. The launch pad rumbles. Falcon Heavy, the world's most powerful operational rocket, awakens from its slumber. Streaking across the sky, a bright flame amidst the vast black void, Falcon Heavy carries the X-37B towards its unknown mission. Beyond the Earth's atmosphere, the X-37B departs, embarking on its clandestine journey. What exactly will occur? Only time can tell. As the Falcon Heavy returns home, leaving behind the enigmatic X-37B, it signals not an end, but a new beginning in space exploration.